Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talking about the shell screen input. So we will demo how to input the parameter for the shell screen. Okay. So first, maybe if you use C language or any other language, you maybe see the function like this. Okay, this is a print name function. So this is input parameter. Okay, this is input string, the name. So print it out. Okay. In our screen shell, we also have similar function, which is very useful. Okay, and let's open the terminal first. Okay, so we go into the text folder first. Okay, so we create the shell script nano. We just use the print name. Okay, nano. So as we said before, we need to write this first to tell the Linux use bash to understand our shell script. Okay, so first we do the most simple things. Echo this. This will mean what? This means one means the first input parameter. Okay. Okay. So we save it. Control X. Mean here Control X, and then press yes. Press Y to save. Press Enter. Save. Okay. We first we change the permission of the file. Let it has run permission. Okay, then we run it. Print name. Print what name? So we can input whatever name. Let's say Michael. Okay, so it will be print out the Michael. Let's say use another printer. Jack. So it's print out Jack. Okay, this is the most simple one. And now we modify it a little bit. Okay, this is echo just one parameter. Let's echo another one. Okay, the 2 means parameter number 2. Okay, we save it. Control X, press Y and Enter. Save it. Then we run it. Print name Michael and Jack. See, it's print out the Michael and Jack. Okay, we changed it a little bit again. So we can print according the sequence, whatever sequence we want. So we can print the second one first. Then we print the first one. Okay, we save it. Save. Okay, then we run it. So this is print name Michael and Jack. And the first time we will output the Michael first and then Jack. So we will see now what we will put out. Okay, this time it will output Jack first and then output Michael. So it means that it means we can control whatever we want to output the sequence. Okay, so the next step, we make it more complicated. Okay, so we get some tips, get some reminder for the user. Okay, at here. So we pop some information. Please enter your name. Okay, this is some kind of remind. So then we read the name into name variable, and then okay, we print it out. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay, who? This name. Okay, so first we remind others, tell others to enter the name, and then we read the name into the variable, and then we echo out nice to meet you. For example, Michael. Okay, we save it. We save it. And save, and then we run it again. Okay, so at this time we don't edit the name right now, and we just enter here. So it will remind you, please enter your name. Okay, we enter my name, Michael. Okay, so this will be output information showing here. Nice to meet you, Michael. Let's input another name, Alice. Okay, will be nice to meet you, Alice. So it's very flexible for us to change whatever name in the shell screen. Okay. Okay. Let's make it a little bit more complicated. So So this is remind for just one time. Okay, let's say remind for 2 times. Echo, please enter your age. Okay, please enter your age. Nice to meet you. With this, please enter your age, and then we read the age to age variable. Then we echo it out. Oh, you are this age, years old. Okay, then we save it. Yes, save. Okay, we run it. Oh, enter the name. Okay, I enter my name, Michael. Enter your age. Okay, 100. Oh, you are 100 years old. Okay, so it means you can control the output and also tell the user, I mean, to exchange what you want the user to input. Okay, so this is that one, and you also let's make it more complicated, a little bit more complicated. Okay, so okay, at this time we not just print the name, we create folder. Okay, we create folder. We create folder. Okay, so as usual, we need to input this first. Bin bash. Okay, tell the Linux what kind of screen explainer. Okay, so first we ask the folder name. Please enter the folder name. Okay, then we read it into the variable folder name. Then we create the folder name, and then we echo, tell the user folder, this folder name has been created. Okay, so by this way, it means we can call some other command like the make a folder, or we can delete some file, and according the user input, whatever, and we can create the folder or create a file, whatever things. Okay, Control X and press Y and press Enter, save it. We change the permission for this file, then we run it. Okay, it will ask you to input the folder name. Let's say Michael folder. Okay, the folder has been created. Let's take a look whether it's created or not. So here, it has been created. Okay, so this is the basic shell input, the input parameter for the shell script. It's very useful and very simple to use, and based on this, you can create all kinds of function to control the Linux or even control the hardware devices. Okay, that's it, and I'm Michael. Hope you will support us, subscribe us. Thank you.